What's up, everybody? It's me. We all want to grow our wealth, right? But how many of us are actually taking the right steps to make that happen? Today, we're diving into the 5 professional steps that I personally use to multiply my own money. So buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's get started. Budgeting might sound boring, but it's the foundation of everything. Without a solid budget, you're flying blind with your finances. Track every expense to know exactly where your money is going each month. I use Mint and Personal Capital to link bank accounts and categorize expenses automatically. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Budgeting isn't just about tracking, it's about optimizing every dollar. Identify areas to cut back and create extra cash flow for debt, savings, or investments. Now, let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market, a place where your savings can grow significantly over time. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to do this. Anyone can start investing with just a bit of knowledge and the right tools. The key here is long-term investing with a focus on diversification. Diversifying your investments helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which can be risky and time-consuming, invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track the performance of the entire market, like the S&P 500. This means your investment is spread across many companies. And the best part? You can start investing in index funds with just a few dollars through online platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or even Robinhood. These platforms make it easy and accessible for everyone. Stay consistent with your investments, and over time, you'll be amazed at how much your money can grow. Patience and regular contributions are key to seeing substantial growth in your portfolio. Real estate is another powerful wealth-building tool that has personally served me incredibly well. One option is house hacking. This involves buying a multifamily property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. The rental income from the other units can cover a significant portion of your mortgage, or even all of it, allowing you to live essentially rent-free. Another option is to invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. You can buy shares of REITs on the stock market, giving you exposure to the real estate market without having to actually buy or manage properties yourself. Imagine waking up to find that your money has been working for you while you slept. It's a dream come true for many. One way to generate passive income is through dividend-paying stocks. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends. Another way is through creating and selling digital products, like online courses, ebooks, or stock photos. These products can generate income for years with minimal effort. Explore affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale. Building passive income streams takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Enjoy more freedom and financial security. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, and watch educational videos about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions and capitalize on new opportunities. So never stop learning, never stop growing, and never stop striving for financial freedom. So, there you have it, the 5 professional steps to multiply your money. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies.